alphabets. A. A for apple. I love apple. B. B for ball. I love to play with the ball. C. C for cat. This cat looks beautiful. D. D for dog. Dogs are loyal to their masters. E. E for egg. This egg is oval in shape. F. F for fish. Fish lives in water. G. G for grapes. Grapes is a healthy fruit. H. H for horse. Horse runs very fast. I. I for ice creams. I love ice creams. J. J for juice. Juice are very tasty. K. K for kite. I love to fly kites. L. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M. M for monkey. Monkeys are very funny. N. N for nest. Birds live in the nest. O. O for owl. Owl cannot see during the day. P. P for pencil. I write with a pencil. Q. Q for quail. It is a small bird. R. R for rabbit. Rabbits are cute little animals. S. S for snakes. Snakes are dangerous. T. T for tiger. They live in the jungle. U. U for umbrella. It protects us from sun and rain. V. V for van. We travel in a van. W. W for watch. Watch shows us time. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument. Y. Y for yacht. Yacht is a medium-sized sailing boat. Z. Z for zebra. It has black and white lines in its body. Thank you.